Myself Sarojadov. Today we are talking about why string is immutable and SCP means string pooling in Java. Object-oriented programming, the immutable string or object that cannot be modified once it is created, but we can only change the reference to the object. We restrict to change the object itself. The string is immutable in Java because the security, synchronization, and concurrency coaching and class loading. The reason of making string final is destroy the immutability and not allow others to extend it. The string objects are catch in string pool and it makes the string immutable. The string literally are accessed by multiple clients, so there is always a risk where is action performed by one client affected all other clients. For example, if one client perform an action and changes the string value from precious to pressure, all, all the remaining clients will also read that value for the performance reason. The catching of string object was important, so to remove that risk we can have to make the string immutable. These are the some more reason of making string immutable. The string pool cannot be possible if string is not immutable in Java. A lot of heap spaces saved by the JRE. The same string variable can be referred to more than one string variable in the pool. The string entering can also not be possible if the string would be immutable. If we don't make the string immutable, it will pose a serious security threat to the applications. For example, database username, password are passed as a string to receive database connections. The socket programming host and port descriptions also pass as string. The string is immutable, so its value cannot be changed. If the string doesn't remain immutable, any hacker can cause a security issue in the application by changing the reference value. Now the string is safe for multi-threading because of immutableness. Different threads can access a single string instance. It's remove the synchronization for the thread safety because we make string thread safe implicitly. The immutability gives the security of loading the correct class of by class loader. For example, suppose we have instance where we try to load Java SQL connections class, but the changes in reference value to the my hack. The connection class does unwanted things to the database. Now we're talking about the SCP. SCP means string pool in Java. In Java, the string is the most important topic. There is a number of concepts related to the string, but the string pooling concept is one of them. The string pooling concept is in Java is bit lucky. So in this section we are going to discuss the string pool or string indent concept. Now, what is the string pool? String pool is nothing but a storage area in a heap where is the string literal stores. It is the also known as the string intern pool or string constant pool. It is just like object allocation by default. It is empty and privately maintained by the Java string class. Whenever you create a string, the string object occupy some space in the heap memory. Creating a number of string may increase the cost and memory too, which may reduce the performance also. The JVM performs some steps during the installation of the string literals that increase the performance and decrease the memory load. To decrease the number of string objects created in the JVM, the string class keeps a pool of strings. When we create a string literals, the JVM first check the literals in the string pool. If the literals are already present in the pool, it returns the reference to the pull instance. If the literals is not present in the pull, a naive string object takes place in the string pool. String is immutable in Java. All the string are stored in the steel prongs. That is allocated in the Java heap. String pool is a implementation of the string in entering concept. String entering is a method that store only a copy of each distinct string literals. The distinct value are stored in the string pool. The string pool is a example of the flyweight design pattern. This is a topic. Thank you so much.